So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason your swipe up is just not working on your particular iPhone. Now, what does this mean? Well, maybe you're inside of an application or you're inside of something else, and for some reason, every time you try to swipe up out of the application, it's just glitchy or it's not working well, or there's probably some other problem associated with it as well. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. The number one reason why something like this ends up happening, though, is usually because the application that you're using requires like a multiple swipe ups in order for it to hop out. Sometimes if they go ahead and as you can see, if they sometimes put like a menu icon very close to the bottom, you can see for me that as soon as I swipe up, it looks like I'm kind of swiping up, but I'm not because I just keep accidentally clicking this main menu icon. You're going to have to start off at the bottom and really swipe up. So sometimes it requires multiple swipe ups, as you can see, and that's with most applications. It's very, very annoying, and I don't know why they even do it like that. But for a lot of applications, they just require you to swipe up. Now, if it's like highlighted dark like this, usually one swipe up is good. But if you're inside of a full screen application like this one, and if it grays out like this, you'll have to go and swipe up twice in order to kind of come out of it. Now, inside of like the Delta game emulator, I've seen myself having to swipe up like multiple times in order to hop out of an application. So try that. That might be the first thing. If it's really not working, you're going to have to restart your phone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your device, volume up in the side button, slide the power off, give it a few seconds, power back on. You want to see if that ends up fixing it too. And like I said, for a lot of people, that might be all you're going to have to do there as well. If that's still not working, you may want to have to go through and basically update your particular iPhone. So make your way over into your iPhone settings just like this. Go into General, go into Software Update, and what we're going to want to do here is update your particular device. If there is an update available, just go through, update it, and that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are a few different ways to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.